What's up, y'all? So here at Let's Talk, we are all about being responsible when you drink, okay? So when you partake in these particular beverages, please make sure that you are not drinking and driving. Please make sure that you are home. Please make sure that whatever you do, you are not putting anybody in danger. It's fine to have fun, but it's also a problem when you put others in danger. So with that in mind, have fun, but be safe, okay?
Welcome back.
We ready. Okay, so round number 2, hoping it goes better than round number 1. We are gonna try a pineapple martini. I mean, not martini. Yes, martini. I'm tripping. I'm not lushing. I'm getting determined. Relax, because you was messing up earlier, and I, whatever. Okay. Anyway, a pineapple martini.
Yippee.
Okay. Once again, this is pretty simple. We have 4 ingredients, so not gonna break the bank, not gonna kill you. In terms of steps to remember, we have our vodka. Again, we're sticking with our Tito's. We have pineapple juice. We have triple sec. And we have, I know we said lime juice. We got lime concentrate. That's what they had. Okay, that's what they had. Is this concentrate of the lime, okay? It's concentrate of the lime. So we also have our shaker with ice and our chilled glass, okay? That we will be tasting our wonderful creations. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna start off with 2 ounces of vodka.
Ooh, child, vodka again.
Well, this is a vodka episode, sis.
I know.
You gonna have to get over your
I
apprehension.
just hope that it's better than the first one, cause Lord knows.
I mean, listen. You just gotta
Just one?
cause 2 ounces.
Okay.
Yep, exactly. All right, so we got that. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of triple sec, okay? Well, I probably should have loosened that up a little bit before. Golly, you can tell I haven't used this in a smidge. There you go.
Thank you.
And 4 ounces of your pineapple juice, okay? Okay, you should be able to use the rest of that in your vessel, okay?
Pour it up.
And we have about half an ounce of the lime juice. Again, I'm not gonna quite do half an ounce because we have concentrate. So, just keep that in mind when you are preparing, okay? And we're ready to shake. It's that simple. I have a hunch. All right.
Let's find out. Oh, it's a nice little color.
Uh-oh, I might have over. Okay, we might have some reserves, so we're not trying to,
Yeah.
Dang, yours got more color. You know what? I might have been heavy on the vodka.
Oh, the ancestors were speaking to you?
The ancestors may have spoken because, as you can see, I have mine a little.
Mine's a little dark.
Yours is. I think yours is how it's supposed to look. Oops. Anyway, we're gonna taste this. Okay, let's taste it. Okay, that's cute.
I can do this one.
See, I had hope because it's giving me tropical. I need to be on a beach somewhere, okay? Like vacation right now.
This is good.
Okay, so tell me what you're thinking. Like, you already are in a better headspace, so tell me what you're thinking.
So the Cosmo wasn't doing it for me. I'm just gonna let you know that up front. But you already knew that. This one, I'm going to give this an 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh.
I like this. It's soft, subtle. I just like it. It's not strong, but it got a taste to it. I like it. But I ain't gonna give it a 10 because why? It's vodka.
Hater.
Just kidding.
Hater.
But no, for real, I would give it an 8.
Okay,
What would you give it?
No, that's good. I'm gonna give it between an 8 and an 8.5. I'm kind of have a little bit of a varying scale right there.
Okay.
It is really good. It's very flavorful and I like it. Would it be something that I gravitate to? Yes, if I had more vodka to it.
You have more than me, I guess.
I already had some more vodka there. Here's my point. I like to taste a little bit of my liquor. Not like Lolita did us last time.
Lolita
because,
punched us.
and let me clarify, original Lolita, because when we revised it, it was fine. But it's a little sweet. It's just a little bit sweet for me. It's not bad, don't get me wrong. That's why it's still an 8 and an 8.5. It's good. It's just for me and my preference, I like to taste that there's vodka in there a little bit. But I will say, oh my God. Wait,
It was good.
Hold on, wait a minute.
It was good. It was, sis.
Wait a minute. This heifer literally, did you just?
It was good.
All right, like that threw me for a loop. She drank the whole thing. We're only like 3 minutes in, bro. Like what?
Damn.
What the? All right, so she liked it. Here was the point I was trying to make.
Actually, I'm gonna change my rating from an 8 to a 9.
What?
But that's it. Go ahead.
Here's my point. Before I was blindsided by you and just guzzling this drink over here, okay? What was even my point? You just literally took it out my brain because you just. Anyway, if you're not a drinker, this is definitely a good alternative to the Cosmo because it's sweet. Now, mind you, don't be fooled from the sweetness. If you have 2 or 3 of these, you're gonna end up
Might sneak up on you.
on this. You're not gonna be on the beach anymore. You're gonna be on the sidewalk somewhere.
I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink around here, do you, bud?
Because you walked to go to the bathroom and you got lost. Yeah, so be careful. But I do still think that this is a beginner drinker friendly beverage. I do not think seasoned drinkers who like to taste their liquor are gonna love it. They're gonna appreciate it for what it is, but
Yeah.
so
It's a nice little, brunch drink too.
You really
This
crushed
is the first time I
that.
crushed it before like we even finished the video. Like, yeah.
I have so many jokes running through my head. I'm not even gonna say them.
So if you're a drinker like I am, this is like juice.
What the f is juice?
So I just want to let you know that because I finished it.
I mean, I thought I was a drinker too, but sis,
Clearly not.
I mean, are you a giraffe? Are you
What
an
you trying to say? I'm a
elephant?
long neck. What?
I'm just trying to figure out.
Out of all
A
things.
camel? Like, where did it go? Like,
She's
where did
saying
it
I have
go?
long leg and a long neck and I got humps.
Okay, wait, I didn't say. Time out,
Wow.
time out, time out. I didn't say that.
Who's been drinking?
All I'm gonna say is, when is the last time you literally finished a drink? Like, we're not even done with the shoot and you finished the drink. You can't even come up with it, can you?
She called me a giraffe and a camel. A giraffe and a camel. Do they even belong together?
They don't. I don't know what else. Listen,
Long neck. You just called me a long neck, humpy chick.
here's what I was trying to allude to.
Thank
Clearly
you.
it was delicious. Okay.
Friendship is about to be over when this video is over.
Wow. Okay. Listen, I love you. I do. It's not even like that. I'm just. It was good. Try it out. Let us know what you think.
Ooh, child.
We're gonna work on a relationship before round number 3 because now she doesn't like me. But overall, I think you are more impressed with vodka this round than you were last.
I will
Is that
agree with
fair
that.
assessment?
But that doesn't take away the fact that she called me a giraffe with humps. But,
Whatever. Anyway, tell us what you think. Try this out.
like
Are you
subscribe.
on the same vibe as we are with this one? All right, we'll be back for round 3.
Like, subscribe, comment.
All of that.